Hello everybody, and welcome to your course navigation for your credit recovery physical science. My name is Mrs. Cohn, and I will be your guide along the way just to get to Edgenuity and use your homepage. Now, you guys are in credit recovery, so you won't be actually doing work for me through Canvas. All of your work is going to be on Edgenuity. But this homepage is here with my information so that if you get lost or need help with something, I am your teacher for your point of contact. So if you need help with anything, I'm the one that you can reach out to. So I've got my email address here, my phone number. This is my Google Voice number. You can feel free to text me if you need me. Also, if you need to meet with me one-on-one, there's a Zoom link here for you. You're not required to come to classes or Zoom links with me because, again, you're doing your course on Edgenuity, so it's a separate system that you'll watch videos and take quizzes, and then at the end of the course, if you finish everything and meet the requirements, you get your credit for physical science. If you need to meet with me one-on-one or have questions on getting started in your course, if you click here, you can set up a booking meeting with me. So if you open it, it'll look like this. It has my name, and then it has the date, and then it has a time that is available for you to set up a meeting with me. You would just hop on Zoom at that time. I would know that you're there. So let's say you want to meet me at 11. Just choose 11. You put your name in there. You can tell me why you want to meet me, and then when you click book, I'll get an email saying that you want to meet with me. So this is pretty much all you need. You just need to know my information so that you can get in contact with me. I'm available through email, text, Student Square, all that good stuff. Also, I have office hours Monday, Tuesday, and Fridays from 10 to 11. So that means for an hour on those days, I'll just be in this Zoom link. So if you click it and you open it up, I'll be sitting there waiting for students to come in with their questions so you can have access to me easily at that time. So when you're ready to start your coursework for the day, you'll just come here and you will click this link and it will take you to Edgenuity. So it's just going to take you to the website you need. You don't have to access it through Canvas. It's just an easy link here for you. And then you will click login and you'll log in with your information here. So your username is going to be your CMS student ID with the asterisk. So this little asterisk here, the little star, you have to have that in your login. I don't know why, but if you don't log in with the asterisk, it will not give you credit. So you could go through the entire course and you could do all the work for it, but if you don't log in with your student ID plus the little asterisk, it'll not give you credit for the course. So please make sure when you log in, you are logging in with the little star so that you can see it. And then your password will just be your student ID. Okay, so make sure you're logging in. If you need help or anything, let me know. When you get into the course, you'll be able to see your physical science course. Typically, it's watching videos, answering quizzes, and you just can move through at your own pace. You'll be able to see if you're on pace with finishing for the semester, or if you get a little bit behind, it'll show you kind of with the color code, so like red, yellow, green, so that you can see how much progress you need to be making. And of course, I'll stay in contact with you because I'm going to be checking up on you guys and doing your attendance every day, so that if I see that you're falling behind, I'll check in with you and see if you need help with anything. Remember to get your attendance, even for credit recovery. I will look into Edgenuity and make sure that you have logged on for the day and made progress. So you should be working on this daily, and you should be going through the videos and answering the questions. I look forward to meeting with you guys, talking to you guys this semester. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out and ask me. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful semester. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.